Hey everyone, I'm Sebastian Clovis and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. When you're designing a bathroom, you're not just picking out tiles and fixtures, you're crafting a retreat, a space that feels like an escape from the everyday. And a great escape starts with thoughtful design. Here to tell us all about the wonderful details is designer Karin Bennett.
Thanks for having me, Seb. Great design is all about the details. You want a space that looks good and feels good, but also functions really well.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the foundation of any good bathroom, the tiles. I love a large format tile because there's less grout to clean and the look is relatively seamless.
I agree with you. And I love a floating vanity. It gives a nice modern feel. And let's not forget about lighting. Check this out. Integrated mirror lighting. Every girl wants to look good when she's getting ready.
Very cool, and it's perfect for trimming beards.
Yes. And it just gives that spa-like feel.
Feel is so important. Let's talk about that because you want the things that you touch to feel luxurious, from the towels to the fixtures, even the essentials.
Absolutely. Like this Charmin Smooth Tear toilet paper. It's ultra soft, super absorbent.
And these wavy edges.
Yes, they make for the smoothest tear every time.
They do. I'm noticing so many lovely details in here, from the folded towels to the freestanding tub, the bath caddy. It all feels like a bespoke hotel.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the scent.
Right.
A good bathroom should always smell fresh. Febreze bathroom works continuously. No batteries, no plugs for up to 45 days. Just long-lasting freshness. It's those effortless touches that keep a home feeling clean and inviting.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us, Karin, and thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by Febreze Bathroom and Charmin Smooth Tear.